know one thing I have noticed? When your beliefs are different than someone else, there's no need to try to convince them to believe what you believe. You just believe in what you believe. And me personally, I know my belief system and how I operate and how I network and how I hustle. I know it's unorthodox than what you used to hear and what someone had told you, because to learn how the true hustle of the game, it's not going to be what you think it's going to be. It's not going to be what you heard about in grammar school, even in college. They ain't going to teach you the hustle. You know what I mean? So for me to try to convince you that what I'm doing is working or how to do it to make it work for you, I'm not going to convince you. You know what I mean? I'm not even going to try to. Once you wake up and you see that, hey, I'm in a spot and this ain't working, you're going to start searching for yourself. You're going to start doing some homework for yourself. So one thing I learned, you throw the truth out there, but you can't wake nobody up. It's like the old saying.